So welcome to Peacock's Barbecue and Pizza. In today's video, we are up in Essex and we have just completed this outdoor kitchen here and shelter for this customer. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking you through the whole process of how we built this from start to finish. So when we arrived on site, obviously none of this was here. There was no shelter here. The house came along here. The patio was all as it was, but we basically had this blank space out here. So the customer had said to me, you know, he wanted to do something with it. He wanted to like put some sort of barbecue pizza oven somewhere to cook and to entertain, but wasn't quite sure what to do. So we went back and forth. I put some designs together and we decided on using a brickwork finish. So the bricks that we've got here match the house exactly. So when you stand back and you look at this kitchen, it really does look like an extension of the home. It really, really works well. Obviously he wanted somewhere to cook, he wanted a sink in there, and he wanted an area for his friends and his family to sit and socialize and eat and have fun and drink. So we decided on, I mean, to start with, I think we were going to have like an L-shaped layout like this, and then in the end we came around to this U-shaped layout with the bar area over here. You can see for the worktops on these, I think this is called an Absolute Nero. This is a dark granite. This is 30 mil thick. It's nice and chunky. And you can see that they've put upstands along here as well. That looks really cool. That just finishes it really nicely between the granite and the brickwork. Let's start. So let's start with the shelter, shall we? So for the shelter, we decided to build this using timber frame. So these are treated timbers. This is a 4x4 post, 100 mil by 100 mil. And all we've done is simply created a timber frame with WBP ply on the top, and then we've used a rubber membrane on the top. And what we've done is we've fixed it into the existing roof there, into the fascia. And then we put things, what we call furrings on there, which are like the angled bits of wood, and they create a fall, a slope on the roof. So the slope of the roof, the highest point is at that end, and it all comes down to here. So all the water comes off the existing roof and off that roof into this gutter here, you can see, and we've just connected it back into the existing drain pipe. So all of the water comes along and gets taken away down there. I was chatting also to the customer earlier on, and he was talking about he's now ordered some cedar cladding. So he's going to clad the underside of this shelter with cedar cladding that's going to look really, really cool. He's also going to put, you know, maybe at a later stage, some cedar cladding along the fence as well. So that's going to completely transform this area as well. Cedar looks so, so nice outside, especially when it's against this like anthracite colour. So we've painted the timber there actually. You can see also he's had his electrician in. So he's got these heaters up here. So you've got one heater over the bar area there, and then another one here. So when you're cooking, preparing, you're going to keep nice and warm. Your friends and family are going to be nice and warm over there. He has got sockets here as well with USB chargers. That's going to be really handy for putting in, you know, speakers or maybe like mixers or anything like that that you want to use out here. Also, I might as well go on to this as well. I love that he's put all this shelving and things. He's got all his sauces and things up there, plates and cups, stainless steel shelving there, and then down here these rails with all of the utensils and buckets, kitchen roll and stuff like that. It's things like this that really make an outdoor kitchen come to life, I think. So let's start down here with the appliances and everything. Here you have got the Beefeater 1600 series stainless steel 4-burner. So this is a fantastic grill. It's really well priced, I think, in terms of value for money. This is a fantastic grill. It comes in two different options. You've got the stainless steel version, which is the 1600S, and then you've got the 1600E, which is the enamel version. The only difference is this sort of fascia down here on the stainless steel, this is stainless steel. On the enamel, it's like a graphite-y colour. I'll see if we can overlay a picture so you can see what it looks like. It's available in 3-burner, 4-burner and 5-burner options as well. So that is a really, really cool grill. Underneath there, we've got stainless steel double doors. And what that will do is give you access to put your gas tank and everything in there. You might also see around here that we've got an air vent down there. So there is a brick air vent down there. So if there's if there's ever any like gas leaks for the tank or anything like that, the gas has got somewhere to go to. Coming over to here, I have done a review of this barbecue as well. So if you're interested in that, go and check out the link. We'll leave the description below as well. Over here, you've got the Delivita wood-fired oven. These ovens are awesome. So this is predominantly a pizza oven, but it runs just on wood. They do have a hybrid version available as well called the Eco. So that will run on gas or on wood. This one is just the wood oven. It's not just for pizzas. You can cook anything you like in this, and we do regularly. If you saw one of our recent videos, Jess made some brownies on there which came out really, really well, so go and check that out if you're looking for some inspiration on what to cook. So with this, you would just make Jenga with some kindling, put a fire lighter underneath it and a log on the top, like that, and about 20 minutes later, that will be up to temperature and ready to cook. They're available in about 8 or 9 different colors. Really, really cool little ovens. Underneath here, you've got a triple drawer unit. So this is just really handy for just keeping, well, anything you want in there, really, keeping everything dry. Over here, you've got a stainless steel sink. So sinks are really handy outside. When you're cooking, you're constantly getting stuff on your hands, so it's really good to have somewhere to wash your hands. Also to just rinse off plates and glasses and things like that. Underneath here, we've got another stainless steel cupboard. And again, that just gives you access to the underside there. So you can see you've got that access of the waste and the water and everything. I think on the other side of this window was the utility, so it was quite easy to bring the water and the waste through. So that is that. Obviously, there's plenty of storage underneath here as well. All of that is just open space as it is underneath there. So if you want to keep wood, charcoal, pizza peels and things like that, you've got space to do it. Over here, again, this is just a pull-out drawer unit, and that is for keeping a bin in. So you can use those for gas tanks as well. But we just tell our customers to get a bin on Amazon, put it in there, and you've got somewhere to put all your waste. Coming along to here, you've got the Beefeater stainless steel double fridge. So you may have seen these before. Plenty and plenty of room in there for drinks, beverages, food, anything that you want to keep cool. That's really, really good. There is a single version available as well, but it's not half the size. It's about 2/3 of the size of this. And so over here, you've got this bar area. So this chunk of granite is probably about 900 mil wide. The kitchen itself is about 600 mil, which allows the right depth for the fridge to go into. And then we've got about a 300 mil overhang, like a foot overhang on the back here for your bar stool. So this is where your friends and your family are all going to sit and chat to you while you're cooking over there. I really love what they've done with this. I really love this sign that they put up, this Peacock's Barbecue and Pizza. It's like the finishing touch on the kitchen. It just looks really, really cool. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. We've really enjoyed making this one. We've turned sort of an unusable space into something really, really cool. If you want to see more videos like this, I will leave a link up here to another one. If you're thinking about getting an outdoor kitchen, you're looking for some ideas, then go over there. We try and post a video once a week. So subscribe to the channel, set the alert button, and you'll get notified every time we release a new video. We also have Facebook, we have Instagram. We try and post on there a couple of times a week. So head over there and give us a follow. So thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.